My family has raised soybeans for as long as I can remember. My great-grandfather Jim bought the property in the early 1900s. It's a tremendous amount of work. The hours sometimes seem endless, but when you're doing something that you love, you never work a day in your life. From my grandpa to my dad, and hopefully what I can instill to my children, is the love for agriculture. The number one ingredient in Herbalife protein shakes is soy. Knowing that we are providing access to a healthy source of protein for so many people through Herbalife, that puts a lot of responsibility on us. It's pretty amazing that the soybeans we grow here in the Midwest get distributed worldwide by Herbalife and are changing people's lives in a positive way. I'm proud that here in the Heartland we raise some of the best soybeans in the world, and Herbalife is just as passionate about producing a quality product as we are.